Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, the place where we troubleshoot, simplify, and solve all your tech challenges. Today, we're diving again into a frustrating issue that some of you have been facing, problems with reaching your Windows 11 VM using Hyper-V. Now you have deployed your new Windows 11 image with Hyper-V, and the next step would be to access it, not only from within Hyper-V, but also by using RDP. You would think that the process is as easy as opening an RDP connection to it, right? Right? Well, not quite, because by default you are not able to reach your machine. There are 3 steps required before you are able to RDP into your Hyper-V installed machines. So let's have a look on what do we need to configure before reaching our goal. Step 1. Enable RDP within the VM settings. While I understand that this feature is a security feature imported from Windows Server, it seems to me simply counterintuitive that Client OS has this feature enabled by default, as it defeats the purpose of installing a Windows system. I mean, after installing you want also access to it, otherwise why install it in the first place? For changing this setting you need to log on to Windows from within the Hyper-V. Let's do it. We go to Start menu, look for Remote Desktop, Remote Desktop Settings, and click on Enable RDP. Yes, we want to have it. And now RDP is enabled on our system. Step 2. Disable Windows Hello and use login with username and password. For this we go again to Start menu, Account Sign In, look for Account, go to Sign In Options, and disable for improved security only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Step 3, we need to reboot the system. After the VM was rebooted, go to View, select Enhance Session, click Connect. You have the menu and option to log in with the username and password. Let's insert the password. Let's try it on our machine using the defaulted RDP client. I have the IP address already put in. Need to set the password. We are able to reach the machine using RDP. Now, one bonus, let's say you want your virtual machine to be in the same network as your main PC, then you need to configure a virtual switch in Hyper-V. We go to Virtual Switch Manager, select New Virtual Switch, type external, create virtual switch. We give it a name. And we select the network card which has access to our network and click apply. I won't do this because I already created one, as you can see here. What we need to do afterwards, we need to configure it on the machine. We go to network adapter default switch. If we go now to the machine, log in. Now we have an IP address which is within our internal network. And there you have it, folks. I hope this guide helped you fix that frustrating Windows installation issue and got you back on track. Remember, tech problems can be tricky, but with a little patience and the right steps, there's always a solution. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be facing the same issue. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Got questions or run into a problem? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.